Oh.
Okay.
Unlock. Shoot Courtney!
Watch out!
Shoot Courtney! Shoot that!
And the mayhem has begun.
And run them up.
They all run upstairs to get away from him. Whoa, almost got ran over.
Bring it here, Corey!
I'm trying to get the heck up out of the way. You better start picking them up.
I can't! There's people in the way! Back up!
Go. Pick them up.
I'm still on your team, Bob. I'm still on your
There's
team.
no teams! She got jammed. Damn her anyway.
Stay back! I'm warning you!
This is what happens in the mckeown shepherd household. Gun night.
Stay back! Hey, shoot that! Don't show me that!
Need ammo! Reload!
Wait.
Target! You know.
Oh! Barely missed you.
Don't shoot the camera guy.
Camera guy, move! The jam.
She got bombarded.
Get him!
Oh my God, hurry up! I'm gonna get shot!
He was fixing Corey's gun. He got
Shot!
He was like,
Hey, that's not fair. She don't have a gun.
I think she broke the light on this.
Don't worry about it.
Cameraman!
Hurry up! That's when you're shooting.
This is totally going to be part of the YouTube channel now.
Ow!
A funny night of game night where you shoot guns. I got that. You're not supposed to throw ammo at people.
Thank you.
You're welcome!
Bring it here. Reload.
I'm gonna get shot!
Here.
Ow!
Look.
Don't shoot it.
We're here. Oh, pull it.
Pull the trigger!
She got it.
Smoke!
Well, then don't be coming over here.
Hurry. All the way back.
Ow!
All the way back. Till it clicks.
I don't know why you gotta jump on the couch, Courtney.
Ow. That's my face, bro.
Somebody help me!
I have the high ground!
I can't reload it.
I feel like I'm dying. This is amazing.
It's already caught.
Let's get the bully!
Really bad shot.
We're gonna get the bully.
Boule.
I don't have any ammo!
Hey! Stay back!
Jeez Louise, is it a scream fest or a gun fest? Watch!
That was.
Ow!
Why? Shut bullet!
I was shooting at the wall because it was jammed.
Here's our shit, you're the face.
I was fixing it for your sister. Oh, look, Joe. There's all Bob's ammo. You can put that in your fucking pocket.
There's ammo right there, Rob.
Hey, hold it back from him.
Bob.
Why are you helping him?
Come on,
The
Bob,
gun
help
gets
me.
shot! The gun gets shot!
Stop!
Here, Corey.
Any last words?
Yeah, you're gonna die, sucker.
Who you?
God, I always leave this thing
There you
open.
go. I fixed her light.
Bullet on the counter.
Oh!
Right on Corey.
Hey! I shot the bully!
right off Corey's gun into my face. What's the matter? You out of bullets?
I'm over here and they all clutching they get too.
So he's gonna get more ammo.
Well, Joe's the only one besides Corey that uses your ammo.
Ah, my leg!
So Joe's got a pocket full.
Give me my ammo back!
Hey, stop stealing all the ammo! There was enough ammo there for 3 people, and you're stealing it all.
Look at all the ammo.
Hey,
There.
Bobby!